Filtering is really helping us clean up our report. We're going to add a second filter to filter by category, but we're also going to make it easier to add more filters as we go. Let's start by updating our filter dropdown in reports.php. Add an opt group for projects before we add the category. Now we can add the category opt group. Each option value will start with category followed by a colon. Billable, charity, and personal. Next, we need to modify our function again. We could add an else if, but since we're going to add more filters, let's change this to a switch statement instead. Now we can add the new case. Case, category. We want our where statement to equal where category equals placeholder. Finally, our bind value is expecting an int, but the category will be a string. If we pass the string category to the bind value method that includes the filter for int, the method will remove all non-integer values from the category, leaving the category value empty. This is not what we want at all. If we want to be very specific, we could apply the case statement to our bind values as well. But since we're already filtering this data, I think that just adds a level of complexity that's not really needed. Since the third parameter is optional, let's leave that off. Let's preview the report page in the browser again. This time, select a category and run the report. Now we see only the tasks assigned to projects that are in a certain category.